Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can stop inverting photos on your iPhone camera. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes. And let's get started. So, first of all, open the phone settings on your iPhone. Next, you're going to need to scroll until you find the camera. You open it up, go to the camera settings. Next, you'll also need to scroll down a bit to find a section like Front Photo DSLR. And the only thing you need to do is to make sure that you have this feature enabled. And that's the only way that you'll be able to further ensure that you're not inverting photos on your camera in your iPhone. This is the very simple way, friends, you will be able to stop inverting the photos on your front camera in your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to comment, put your likes, and see you soon, friends.